Hi guys, how you doing? You got 5 seconds to answer this question. If yellow houses are made of yellow bricks and white houses are made of white bricks and black houses are made of black bricks and purple houses are made of purple bricks, what are green houses made of? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glass. How you guys doing? As you can see, it's official. In 1 month or less, we're going to hit 46k. Milan and Petrov. Now we're gonna hold him accountable if that fails. So, you know, I just want to put it out there. That said, if he is correct, bragging rights for the rest of the year. Guys, I got a theory and I want to post this theory like 2 days ago, but you know, it's still valid and we're gonna talk a little bit about that. So I can see up here, you know, after the mega pump that we just had over here, you know, the fake BlackRock news, the price is still going just sideways over here. Now, I just think that there is more pain towards the upside than towards the downside. And the reason being, and we are talking about max pain. Often we talk about, you know, where is the max pain towards downside or upside, you know, if you go towards the upside, are the shorters, you know, gonna get wrecked? If you go to the downside, are the longs gonna get wrecked more? So where is the max pain? Right now, I think the max pain is actually towards the upside. So if you go towards the upside, I think a lot of people are short and they're gonna get wrecked. So why do I think that? And let me explain to you what happened over here. So over down here in these bottoms down here, a lot of people went long because, you know, you're on the sport level, you go long. Right over here, a lot of people went long, and when they go long, they know where the, you know, profit target are, right? So up here we hit actually 30k on the dollar. This is on the Binance. This on the Binance chart, maybe, you know, it's a little bit higher on some other chart. I think on BYBIT it's up 30.6k up here towards the upside, but we hit 30k on the dollar on the Binance chart, and a lot of people had the, you know, this target set as take profit target. So all the people that, you know, not all the people, but, you know, traders down here, you know, they are seeing, you know, what is the upside up there, and, you know, these stops up here, these are take profits targets. So a lot of people got out of their long positions, so they put long positions down here, and they got out of long positions over here, and right now they're hoping it's gonna go down. So the only thing that you can actually do up here is actually short the market. You cannot actually go, you know, go long after, you know, it pumps. I mean, a lot of people go long when it pumps, but you know, these people get wrecked really easily. So you can see what happened up here right now. We're consolidating. People think, you know, right now we need to go down, so everybody's shorting the market right now because they think we're gonna go down, right? So there are no longs. So this is the thing. I don't think there are any more longs. I mean, there was somebody said, like, you know, there's 50-50 long shorts, and that might be the case. But the big longs, you know, the smart longs are not in the market right now because they put, you know, longs down here, and when price goes up, they take profits. They take profits, and maybe you know, somebody is maybe waiting for a little bit more pullback down to actually get out of their longs, and somebody might have longs open. But a lot of these traders, you know, they close their long once we hit the 30k target, because, you know, that's the profit you know, place to take profits, the resistance levels, right? So the way I see it right now, everybody's shorting the market. So if we do go up towards the upside, which I think that you know, there might be a very good case for that, you know, that's the max pain, right? Because once we start going up, all of these people right now that are shorting the market right now is gonna get wrecked. Down here, a lot of, you know, people were still shorting, you know, from up here, they were shorting, they were still shorting, and then we went up, you know, shorters got wrecked, longs got taken profit, and right now the only thing you can actually do up here is actually take actually short the market, right? So not a lot of people are long in the market up here at the top. So if you do go towards the upside, a lot of these people shorting the market are gonna get wrecked. So I think the max pain is actually towards the upside, not towards the downside. Now if you look at the chart, moving some moving averages up here, this on the daily time frame, you'll see that right now we are above the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are still trying to get back above the 200 moving average, but we still have 3 days left, so we're not gonna talk too much about weekly time frame. But over here, I do think right now, after this consolidation up here, we need to go towards the upside. The important thing to note here, if this consolidation takes a little bit, you know, too long time to actually pump towards the upside, this is probably gonna, you know, go back down again. So once you break certain you know, levels of resistance up here, once you break the certain level of resistance, you need to go up, because if you fail to do this, and, you know, the longer this actually sideways motion takes, the bigger probability is towards the downside. But right now it does look like, you know, it wants to go towards the upside. If we clean the chart a little bit up here, and I'm going to show you the where was it? On the weekly time frame. There is a very nice channel on the weekly time frame up here. It goes something like this. It is very, very nice, and give or take, maybe it's up here, maybe it's down here, give or take, let's put it like this. It looks very, very nice. We're still not above the midline up here, but this movement towards downside up here, this downtrend over here that we had in the start, this on the weekly time frame, went down up here. We've crossed that, we tapped that. Right now we're creating higher high without any divergence on the chart. There is no divergence on the chart. The price is going towards the upside. The RSI is going towards the upside. The MACD is losing changing momentum towards the upside up here, towards the upside. So it does look like over here, this channel up here is breaking right now from these bottoms on the bottom and wants to go all the way towards top. Let me just go a little bit back and remove a little bit lines. So it does look like this is actually breaking towards the upside very, very nicely. So you can see up here on a daily time frame how we broke the trend over here, this downtrend up here, held the support very nicely, broke the downtrend, retested, and from the retest we actually right now getting outside of this bottom channel up here. So everything looks nice and dandy, and the max pain is still towards the upside. I believe that max pain is towards the upside, and hopefully this actually plays out. The important part is over here on this weekly time frame is that we need to get above some kind of a midline above up here, but it does look very, very nice. It does look very, very nice, and I'm turning more bullish than bearish right now, so we're gonna see how long that holds. And if you remember a couple of days ago, we actually talked about how this can actually when this started going towards the upside over here, was on the daily time frame, when this started going towards the upside, how we need to break certain levels, right? We need to break 10-20 moving average, we need to get above the resistance levels, right? But we already did that, right? Not only did we do that, we actually right now holding these levels right now for a couple of days. So this movement towards upside up here is more likely than towards downside. So something needs to happen badly before we actually go down. Down here is support levels. This is resistance level. We are above the resistance level. So if you want to see some kind of 24k or 22k or 20, 15k, 10k, 9k, 5k, 3k, whatever, if you want to see those levels, something needs to happen before that, right? So the something that we are talking about is always certain support level that needs to be broken first. You don't just go straight down. On some kind of news you can do that. On some kind of news you can go straight down. But oftentimes the price slowly breaks the support level, gets weak, breaks another support level, gets weak, and then goes down, right? It doesn't just drop down for whatever reason. I mean, it just doesn't work that way. First you need to break something, then it actually goes down. But right now we actually broke something towards the upside. We broke resistance level. So right now the probability is towards the upside right now, the way I see it. So it looks good, it looks nice. Hopefully we get back above the 200 weekly moving average. We still got 3 days left. Everything looks nice and dandy. Hope you have a nice time, and hopefully Mladen Petrov prediction 1 month's time 46k is gonna come true. I do hope he gets his bragging rights. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Where is my outro? I'll see you around. Bye bye.